To connect Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones into your Windows PC, first of all, you have to make sure that you are not connected with any other devices, like for example, smartphone or TV. Now, you have to start from turning off your headphones, so there's the power button. And now we have to enter for the pairing mode. And how we can do this? By holding that power button when our headphones are turned off. And we have to wait until this small indicator starts blinking quickly, just like this. Now you have to release and put it close to your PC. And the next step, you have to just go into the settings on your PC, go to Bluetooth and devices on the left side. And now make sure that you turn on Bluetooth and select to add device. Right now, select Bluetooth device and select your WH-1000XM6 from the list by using the left mouse button. Now, as you can see, you should be successfully connected. And that's basically it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.